So in the last class, I was explained about how to solve the partial differential equation by using Lagrange's method as well as by using multipliers. Now we have some standard equation already. I told you like wave equation, Laplace equation. We already solved that. So if we use that Laplace equation or wave equation and how to solve the other problems and what is the general form of that we can come to know that this class. We'll move on to that. Okay, let's start. D'Alembert solution of one-dimensional wave equation. So what is the solution? D'Alembert solution for the one-dimensional wave equation. You know already you studied this one-dimensional wave equation in first semester. I think second semester of the B last semester in the partial differential equations method. Now we are going to solve it through the D'Alembert's solutions. So how it is? See, let us take. Let me call V some variable. V is equal to x plus ct, and W is x minus ct. So U is a function of V and W. U is a function of V and W. If you are taken U, it's a function of V and W. Like if you are taken f of xy is a function of containing two variables x and y. The same way, U is a function of two variables, call it as V and W. So you already know that what is chain rule. If you have in the second semester you studied dou u by dou x can be written as dou u by dou v into dou v by dou x, dou u by dou w by dou x. Because u is a function of v and w. That's the reason. Okay. If you differentiate with respect to x, you have to differentiate with respect to x for v as well as w because u is a function of two variables v and w. So already we have v as x plus ct and w is x plus ct, x minus ct. Sorry, uh, here change this x minus ct it is because we have taken v w is x minus ct. So can you please check this one x minus ct? Sorry. If you differentiate with respect to x partially means what? X is only the variable, remaining all are constant. So that Ct constant here also minus Ct constant. Dw by dou w by dou x is what 1. Dou v by dou x is what 1. Now from equation 2, here by chain rule what you have written, you just substitute in the place of dou v by dou x, dou w by dou x is 1. So that remaining dou u by dou v and dou w by dou u by dou w. So now directly I'm going to differentiate this function with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, what you it's happening? Sorry. Oh, this where it came? I don't know. Do one thing. You just caught this page because here we made a mistake here. So this is correct one. I shared it is by accidentally. See, this is also I corrected everything. Okay, so if you are taken like you caught the page number 14. Page number 14 is not there by sudden. I think by mistaken it has came. Sorry. So page number 14 you remove it and do this one. Okay. Uh, so dou square u by dou t square c square into as we wx v is equal to x plus ct and w equals x minus ct there. So you have dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou v plus dou u by dou w, because dou w by dou x is value is 1, dou v by dou x value is 1. If you substitute that, you get this one. Now let me call G, simply some notation I have taken. G is, call it as dou u by dou x, that can be written as dou u by dou v plus dou u by dou w. What remaining is there, I have taken G. Again by chain rule, dou G by dou x can be taken as dou G by dou v, because G is a function of uh, v and w again. So dou G by dou v by dou x plus dou G by dou w by dou x, because G is a function of v and w there. So that's what. So next, again you differentiate with respect to x partially. Uh, for dou u by dou x, if you have, that means what, dou square u by dou x square, that is in the place of g, sorry, dou u by dou x, what is that? Yeah, dou g by dou x is that, right? Sorry, this as it is I written here. In the place of g, what you have, dou u by dou x I written here. In the place of g, I can also write dou u by dou v plus dou u by dou w I written. Dou u by dou x as it is, plus again in the place of g, I can write dou u by dou v plus dou u by dou w I written. In the into dou w by dou x. Now multiply it. This is of course dou square u by dou x square. If you multiply with this one, so that dou square u by dou v square you get, plus dou square u by dou v dou w into dou v by dou x, you know already we did it is 1. Again you multiply dou square u by dou w dou v plus dou square u by dou w square there into 1. Okay. Now, so dou square u by dou x square equal to dou square u by dou v square plus dou square u by dou w square plus this one. Both are same. So 2 into dou square u by dou v dou w. You can call it as equation 3, because dou square u by dou v dou w and dou square w by dou v are both are same. Okay, that's the reason I can take it as 2 times of that. You can call it as equation 3. Now again, I will take v value, already we have x plus ct. W is e x minus ct. If you differentiate with respect to t, earlier we differentiated with respect to x. Now we are differentiating with respect to t. So that dou v by dou t, that is x, with respect to t means what, constant c. Dou w by dou t means what, minus c will get. Again by chain rule, what do you have, dou u by dou t if you are taken, simply I consider dou u by dou t. So by according to chain rule, I can write dou u by dou t is dou u by dou v into dou v by dou t plus dou u by dou w into dou w by dou t. Okay. So dou u by dou v by dou t, what you have, c. Dou w by dou t is what, minus c there. So that's what minus c here. So you can call it as c can comes outside. It's a constant. You can call it as h. Earlier we call it as g in the place of dou u by dou x. Here h is what, dou u by dou t. So finally, what you have, dou h by dou t. Again you are differentiating this. Again you are differentiating with respect to t. So dou h by dou t is c is that by the chain rule, what you have to write, dou h by dou t is what, dou h by dou v dou u by dou t, because h is a function of e and w. Next plus dou h by dou w dou w by dou t. In the place of h, you put dou u by dou t equal to dou h by dou v. Dou v by dou t is c. Dou w by dou t is c. So hence you can take out c as a common factor, so that dou h by dou v minus dou h by dou w. C is there. So dou by dou of, in the place of h, what is that h you have? In the place of h, c times dou u by dou v minus dou u by dou w. So substitute that. Okay. Similarly, in the place of h, again c times dou u by dou w, dou u by dou v minus dou u by dou w are taken. So multiply c square into dou u by dou v of dou u by dou v minus dou u by dou w minus c square. Why it is c square? Because outside c there you multiply with c square dou by dou by w of dou u by dou v minus dou u by dou w. Okay. So hence c square as it is, dou square u by dou v square minus dou square u by dou v dou w minus c square into dou square u by dou w dou v minus into minus plus c square into dou square u by dou w square. So you can take out c square as a common factor. So that you will get dou square u by dou v square. Here minus c square dou square u by dou v w minus c square into dou square u by dou v dou w dou v. Both are same, so that 2 times dou square u by dou v dou w plus c square into dou square u by dou w square. Okay. Now you can call it as equation 3. Now we have equation 1, dou square u by dou t square equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. So in the place of dou use dou square u by dou x square, I can put equation 2. In the place of dou square u by dou t square, here equation 4. So c square into dou square u by dou v square and c square into dou square u by dou v square first terms gets cancelled. Here in the last term and the second term gets cancelled. Remaining minus 2 dou square u by dou v dou w equal to 2 times my dou square u by dou v dou w. Both will get does not gets cancelled, so that minus 2 comes to the right side, becomes plus 2 dou square u by dou v dou w. Both are same, so that 4 dou square u by dou v dou w, that is equal to 0. Now you can take out dou by dou w of dou u by dou v. See, you just divide by 4 on both sides. If you divide by 4 on both sides, so that I can write dou by dou w into dou u by dou v, integrate both sides, so that integration differentiation gets cancelled. With respect to w, we are done. So that dou u by dou v equal to, this is nothing but f of v. Why it is f of v? As you know that if you integrate 0, you will get some constant. Some constant means what you treated, that is constant here. You are treated v is constant because it's a function of v and w. So you are treating w as variable, v is constant. Then. So that's what I have taken f of v. Constant. You in differentiation under the integral sign chapter, you see that in the second semester in the multiple integrals, I think you came to know that first semester or second semester maybe it is there. So you came to know that. That is, you usually take it constant as which one you're not treating as a variable. That is what constant. So like that, in the previous, I think those problems you to take h of x, g of y, those things are, we call it as a constant. The same way I've taken dou u by dou v equal to f of v. Again, I'm integrating with respect to v, integrating both sets with respect to v. So if you integrate, the integration differentiation cancel so that u right side with respect to v plus constant. What is a constant? W is constant here because u is a function of v and w already I told you. You are integrating with respect to v means what w constant. Here you are integrating with respect to w means what v constants like that. So hence we have f of integration f of v dv can be written as f of v plus gw, where f of v is what integration f of v dw. So that u is what f of v plus gw, that is in the place of v already we have x plus ct, in the place of w already we have x minus ct. So this is how we can reform that wave equation as to in this form by the D'Alembert's solutions. So any questions? So you forget about 14th page. Don't write 14th page. You start from 15th page. It's wrong. 14th page is a little bit confusion. That's what I avoided that and I written again in the 15th page. Okay, no doubt. Any questions? Any doubt? Anything not understanding? Please ask me. In these steps, if you have a doubt, because it's so important. It's so important. That's what. Every time, maybe they may ask Laplace or wave equation or the solution. They may ask the problems regarding wave equation. So I told you it is a very smallest chapter. So no need to work out more problems. So that's what I'm telling you. You can easily can get the marks. That's what reason. Don't avoid this chapter. Okay. So any questions, any doubt you can ask. No questions, no doubt.
Yeah.
Yes. No doubt. Okay. So I agree that nobody having a doubt. right? No doubt, sir. Okay. Now come to the problems. So this is how we got the solution. Come to the problems. Obtain the D'Alembert solution. See, they mentioned that obtain the D'Alembert solution of the wave equation like this. Subject to the condition. They are given the condition, what condition arises there. That also they are given. U of x comma 0 is f of x and dou u by dou t of x comma 0 is 0. Here f of x, u of x comma 0 means what? Here t is there. That's what. See, u is a function of x and t. Like that's what here you can differentiate with respect to x or with respect to t. That. Okay, t value here 0. Here also t value 0 here if you are taken. So what solution we have in the for the wave equation if this condition is happened? That is the thing. So already we have already we have that. We already done this. So you use that. So what you have done? U of x comma t is x f of x plus ct plus g of x minus ct. We did DLMS solution. See, this is one. So for that purpose, what you have to do, you put t equals 0 because he has given u of x comma 0, u of x comma 0 is f of x. Means what? In the place of t, what DML solution you got, in the place of t, you put 0. So that you will get f of x here. Here g of x is equal to u of x comma 0 is what? F of x plus g of x you got. Similarly, yeah, so that I can say f of x is equal to, f is an arbitrary thing, f of x is equal to f of x plus g of x, you can call it as equation 3. Okay. See why I have taken this is in the place of f of x comma 0, what you have to substitute f of x. So that's what I have taken. It is equation 3. Now, again, you differentiate equation 1, this one, the formal definition. Uh, so, u of x comma t is equal to f of x plus ct plus g of x minus ct there. So, you partially you differentiate with respect to t for equation 1 because dou u for x comma t divided by dou t that is equal to 0 he has given, right? Here, and t is 0. So that's the reason to substitute that we need dou u by dou t. So differentiate with respect to t equation 1. So dou by dou t of u of x comma t. Okay. Dou by dou t of u of x comma t that is equal to f dash of x plus ct into c. See, you are differentiating with respect to t. U of x comma t, what do you have? F of x comma t, right? You are not substituted. It is equation 1 that. So you are differentiating partial with respect to t means what? C is constant, so comes to the nearby that. So beside that, you have to write C. G dash of x minus ct minus c will comes outside. Now put t equals 0 because we have a value of u of x comma 0. So that's the reason you kept t is 0. So dou by dou t of u of x comma 0, that is value 0. He has given, see that? He has given u of x comma 0 is 0. So left side you can kept 0. Right side what will happen if you had substituted t is 0? So that f dash of x minus, here f dash of x minus g dash of x into c here also and here also c. Actually minus sign comes outside, so that minus sign here. C comes outside because it's a common factor. So you just divide by c on both sides because it's a c is constant. If you divide by c, so f dash of x minus g dash of x is 0. So you integrate on both sides. Integration differentiation cancel. F of x minus g of x equal to integration of 0 some constant, call it as k. You can call it as equation 4. Okay. Now equation 3 we have, right? We have equation 3. What is that? Equation 3, f of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So solve these two, equation 3 and equation 4. Add these two so that 2f of x is equal to f of x plus k. So f of x is equal to capital letter f of x is equal to small letter f of x plus k divided by 2 to come to the denominator. Now comes to equation 3. What do you have equation 3? F of x is equal to capital letter F of x plus g of x, right? That is the equation 3. F of x, small letter f of x is equal to capital letter F of x plus capital letter g of x. So in that, what you have, you already have f of x, capital letter F of x, that is f of x plus k by 2. Substitute there in equation 3. So that you take LCM. 2 f of x minus f of x is f of x minus k divided by 2, that is g of x. Now substitute it where, so f of x plus ct, what do you have? F of x plus ct. So f of x, we have f of x is f of x plus c. We have f of x is f of x plus k. G of x is f of x minus k by 2. If you substitute f of x plus c, you have taken f of x plus ct. So that here also you have to substitute f of x plus ct plus k by 2. So if you have taken g of x is f of x minus k by 2, so that you can take g of x plus ct. In the place of x, you put g x plus ct. So here also x plus ct minus k by 2 you will get. Okay. So finally, we will get f of x plus ct is this one. G of x minus ct is this one. So in equation 1, you substitute in the place of f of x plus ct and g of x plus ct in the equation 1. Substitute this. So e of x comma t is this one, right? Now come to the equation 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, on integration on both sides, sir, in this sum.
Where, why are
Integrating on both sides we'll do now, sir.
in the, which equation you are going to integrate? Which equation?
There we have done integration now, sir. After f dash of x minus g dash of x is equal to 0.
After equation,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
This one.
equation 4 we got.
That integration of 0, it should be 0 now, sir.
No, integration of 0 is plus constant also you have to substitute, right? Integration of 0 is 0, I agree. Plus
Yes, sir.
constant, right?
Okay, sir.
0 plus constant is what? Constant, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That I have written. Okay. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So substitute it so that u of x comma t is 1 by 2 into f of x plus ct plus k plus 1 by 2 into f of x minus ct minus k we got. Come to the second equation, second problem. Obtain the D'Alembert solution of the one-dimensional wave equation utt, that is rho square u by dou t square equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. Given that u of x comma 0 is f of x, that is equal to L square minus x square, and e of t of x comma 0 is 0. Means what? You do it and substitute his reading. See, u of x comma t, already we have this equation, previous problem. From the previous problem up to e of x comma t, what we got, up to that you have to write that. What is that? 1 by 20 f of x plus et plus k plus 1 by 20 f of x minus et minus k. Correct? Now you just change that. What is that? Up to that you have to write again. If they are given the exam this problem, you have to write up to that. Got it? Up to that means what? This equation 1, up to equation 1, you have to write again. Then you start now. In the place of f of x, L square minus x square he has given. Correct? So f of x plus ct means what? See, here in the place of x, you put x plus ct. Here also in the place of x, you put x plus ct. X plus ct whole square. A plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab there. So x minus ct means what? L square minus x minus ct whole square. A minus b whole square formula again you apply. A square plus b square. You multiply by minus sign there. Minus 2ab, so that multiply by minus sign, so that plus 2ct there. Now come to the equation 1. You substitute here and here. So if you substitute that, so in the place of f of x plus ct plus k, as it is I substituted. In the place of f of x minus ct, I substituted minus k. So after this one, whatever we have cancellation possible, you cancel that. See, L square plus L square, 2L square will come, minus x square minus 2x square will come, c square t square minus c square t square will get minus 2c square t square will come, and more plus k, I think it is, I thought it is minus 2k, plus k minus k will come, plus k minus k, so that it will get cancelled, sorry. K won't be there then. So you make it correct, k won't be there here. So it will be 0, this k. So that u of x comma t is what? L square minus x square minus c square t square. This k won't be there because k gets cancelled, right? So hence u of x comma t is this one. Any questions? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೆದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್? ಕಮ್ ಟು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 3 ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ. So come to the next problem. Given the equation dou square u by dou t square equal to dou square u by dou x square, and the given condition u of x comma 0 is x, L minus x, and dou u by dou t x minus x comma 0 equal to 0. Show that D'Alembert solution of the problem is u of x comma t is Lx minus x square minus t square ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 1 ಇಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, again I'm telling you, you have to do problem 1 first. After that, up to this you write. After that you start in this one. So you take x is equal to 0, sorry, k equals 0. Let us take simply k equals 0 and c equals 1. Why I have taken k equals 0 and c equals 1? Because to get in this form, u of x comma t ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So that you are, in the place of k you put 0 and in the place of c you put 1. You get f of x plus t plus f of x minus t divided by 2 is u of x comma t. He has given f of x is L square minus x square. Correct? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, f of x is what? L square minus x square. Why? F of x is equal to L square minus x square ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು Lx minus x square ಆಗಿದೆ. Lx minus x square f of x. ಹಾಂ, minus t square. ಹಾಂ, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಮ 0 ಇಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನೋಡೋಣ ತಡ್ರಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತ ಅಥವಾ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. So that's it. Any other questions, any doubt, except the equation 3, sorry, problem number 3. Except problem number 3, do you have any doubts? The correction ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಟುಡೇ ನೈಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದು 14th ಪೇಜ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.